Hey guys, Cassie Deputy with Deputy Tribe. Got my girls in the kitchen. Will you check those eggs? We are getting ready for church tomorrow. Tomorrow starts our 2 services on Sunday, and we're all serving in different ministries. So we have setup, we have first service, I do worship. We have some people teaching. Second service, we have some people teaching, and then we also do tear down. So we're gonna be gone from I think we have to leave here at 7, and we probably won't get home till 2:30. So this is how you do large family, real food, we're throwing down. So here's what's happening. For breakfast, thank you, yeah, turn that off, because they'll copyright me and I won't be able to post this. For breakfast, I have sourdough banana bread muffins. I probably didn't need all 3 of these. Do you think I need all 3 of these?
Yeah.
Okay. I made these a while ago. So it's fresh ground organic flour, fermented banana muffins that I froze. I froze a ton of them. So we're gonna eat that for breakfast with some raw milk, maybe some peanut butter. For lunch, I made fresh ground sourdough bread. Speaking of that, watch my sandwiches while I record this video. And we're doing eggs from our chickens here with some cheese from the co-op. Don't do that.
I'm trying to flip it over, but...
Some Amish butter, and we're melting them because I figured it'd be easier for the kids to,
Where do you put them?
Are they done?
Yeah.
Let's see. We want to make sure they're really squished down. I think it'd be easier for them to, eat them when they're melted, like grilled cheese, because we can cut them up. See, these ones aren't really melted yet. It's getting there. A little bit longer. So we're doing that for lunch, and then we can't bring pork into the church building. So normally I'd accompany it with pork rinds, but I think what we might do, is popcorn, because I got a bunch of organic popcorn. So we're kind of carving it up tomorrow, but what do? We made some keto, what are these called? Bagels that we're gonna put cream cheese and eggs in for the keto people. What else have we been doing? We have curry.
Ooh, that curry looks really good.
Yeah, I have some curry cooking. Our
Big
deputy style pot of curry. I just started that. That's for tonight and maybe tomorrow. I have some rice we fermented and we're cooking in bone broth. And then what I also have going is some sourdough noodles. So that's gonna ferment overnight. Yeah, and I have some sourdough cookie dough that's gonna ferment so that's ready to go. So we can do some pasta. I got some organic kielbasa, so I was thinking of making a pasta thing when we get home, something quick and easy. Well, I guess that's not really quick and easy because I gotta make the noodles, but.
We have gluten-free beef stroganoff stuff up there that me and Willa can eat.
Yeah, noodles,
Yes.
the noodle part of it.
Why can't we eat the meat part of it?
Because it's nasty.
Okay.
So yeah, so that's kind of what's going on. I don't know. What do you guys want to say? Nothing? Yeah, so once we're done with food and we eat and stuff, we're gonna wash everybody and do hair and pack for tomorrow. So
We are? Yeah,
so that
we are.
is what's going on. My babies just woke up from their nap and it's 90 degrees out, so they're really miserable. So they're drinking raw milk, watching Bluey for a little bit. And then my husband's tilling the last few parts of my garden that I needed tilled to get my last few seeds in the ground. My boys are out there. Let's go peek at what they're doing. They're also moving my sprinkler around because it's 90 something degrees here. And we need it watered. We need it watered. So it looks like my sprinkler is still in the first area. You can't even see them, but they're out there. So yeah, so that's it. Just wanted to show you guys what we're making.